Rusia memperbarui informasi operasi militer khusus di Ukraina, Senin hari ini seperti dikutip Tribun Timur dari media resmi Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia. Angkatan bersenjata Federasi Rusia terus menyerang aset infrastruktur militer Ukraina. Pada malam tanggal 4 April serangan udara di dekat Lysychansk menghancurkan pos komando Brigade Mekanik ke-24 Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina yang tersisa dan depot amunisi, senjata dan peralatan militer yang terletak di dekatnya, kata juru bicara Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia, Mayor Jenderal Igor Konasenkov. Sebagai akibat dari serangan pada tanggal 3 April 3 helikopter Ukraina dihancurkan di lapangan terbang Balovnu di pinggiran Nikolaev. Pertahanan udara Rusia berarti menembak jatuh 6 kendaraan udara tak berawak di dekat Nikolaev, Kherson, Kurachovka, Industrialnu dan Velikaya Novoselka, kata juru bicara. Pada malam hari, penerbangan operasional taktis menghantam 14 aset militer Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina. Di antaranya, 2 pos komando, 2 peluncur rudal anti-pesawat Buk M1 dekat Krasnogorka dan Verkhnetoretsko, 1 baterai artileri, 2 gudang senjata dan amunisi artileri rudal, 3 kilang bahan bakar, serta 6 titik kuat dan area konsentrasi Ukraina senjata dan peralatan militer. Secara total, 125 pesawat Ukraina dan 91 helikopter, 392 kendaraan udara tak berawak, 226 sistem rudal anti-pesawat, 1936 tank dan kendaraan tempur lapis baja lainnya, 211 sistem peluncuran roket ganda, 833 artileri dan mortir lapangan, serta 1.810 unit khusus kendaraan militer dihancurkan selama operasi, kata Igor dikutip Tribun Timur.
The grouping of troops of the Donetsk People's Republic developing the offensive seized a fortified area and liberated Novobakhmutovka. During the hostilities, up to a company of the enemy 25th Airborne Brigade was destroyed. Units of the Lugansk People's Militia advanced 2 kilometers and blockaded Novotashkovskaya from the east and south. The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue to strike at the assets of the military infrastructure of Ukraine. On the night of April 4, an airstrike near Lysychansk destroyed the command post of the 24th Separate Mechanized Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces and ammunition depots, weapons, and military equipment located nearby. As a result of the strike, on April 3, 3 Ukrainian helicopters were destroyed at Balovnoye airfield on the outskirts of Nikolaev. Russian air defense means shut down 6 unmanned aerial vehicles near Nikolaev, Kherson, Kurachovka, Industrialnaya, and Velikaya Novoselka. During the night, operational tactical aviation hit 14 military assets of the Ukrainian armed forces. Among them, 2 command posts, 2 anti-aircraft missile launchers Buk M1 near Krasnogorka and Verkhnetoretskaya, 1 artillery battery, 2 depots of missile artillery weapons and ammunition, 3 fuel depots, as well as 6 strong points and areas of concentration of Ukrainian weapons and military equipment. In total, 125 Ukrainian aircraft and 91 helicopters, 392 unmanned aerial vehicles, 226 anti-aircraft missile systems, 1,936 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 211 multiple launch rocket systems, 833 field artillery and mortars, as well as 1,810 units of special military vehicles were destroyed during the operation.